Okay, we have a product that was sent to us. Carpuride. Carpuride. I don't know how to pronounce that, but they sent me something. They asked me to do a 10-minute video on it. Then I get this insane script that I think they want me to follow. I'm not going to. They asked what I wanted to test. I told them I wanted to test this touchscreen backup camera thing. I picked it off the website. If you go to, Carpuride. Anyway, it says I get a commission if you buy something. I'm not being paid for this. This is going to be an honest review. So let's take a look at it. First impressions. This particular model came with a warning only for giant vehicles. This is the screen, and it is under 4 inches high and 9.5 inches long. Now, I'm sure if you go on the website you can find out what those numbers are in communist, but here in America, I asked her for a longer cord. We'll see if it's in here or not. But on the back, on the front, you can see it's just a screen. And apparently, it's supposed to go this way, which doesn't make any sense to me, but that's where the name is, sideways on the front. On the back, I noticed this. This is kind of cool. So if you mount this below the dash and you want to see out, you can raise it up. Also in the box we have suction cup mount. We get a parade coming up here pretty soon. They're cleaning the streets. That's got a. That feels like that Turnabond I just put on the roof of this. There's another one. I guess you could stick it. You can glue it to the dash, I guess. Cigar lighter. Good. And we have a disc. I assume is you stick the disc to something and then you got a surface to stick to this. I might actually use that. A little headphone cord. Now I asked for the extension cord. I don't know if this is the extension cord or not, but there's your rear camera. Tiny. I'm thinking I might put that in the bathroom. Right in the bathroom window. There we go. Okay, it'll go like that. Alright, we got a little. That might work. I might stick that to the bathroom window if I can find a way to get the wires through. Okay. Looks like there should be enough wire. And then we have manual. Ooh, that is sticky. Uh-oh. Now I've done it. I don't know if you're watching this or not. Oh my God. Okay. We're going to put that back on. Whoa! Okay, so it's looking like this is not going to work on my phone. Because that should show a map now, right? I would think. Okay, brought in an expert. CarPlay.
And just...
It's supposed to do maps and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Pairing unsuccessful. I had to download an app on my phone because it's Android 8. You're holding Android 10, which it comes with it. but you can't turn it on the phone. You can't type in, you can't hit the button and have
No.
Android Auto do something. So I have no idea. I've never dealt with any of this before.
I have done CarPlay, but I haven't done Android Auto. So it connected to my CarPlay. I had to turn your phone off.
Okay.
So the CarPlay works. I'm wondering if you got a different phone if the Android Auto would work, but see, I can go home.
Yeah.
CarPlay works.
CarPlay works.
I think it might just be your phone.
2 phones.
Yeah, old phones.
That one's only a year old.
Yeah, but it's Motorola. Continue
What?
setup. Your phone's too old.
So it's my phone.
Yeah. Get to work.
Okay, we are on to phone number 3. So let's try iPhone. Use CarPlay. Whoa! Something happened. Okay, so we got phone. Just gonna leave this here.
Siri requires an internet connection.
Okay. Let's go. How do we get back? Let's go to maps. So the map comes up on the phone first. Oh, okay, it's got us now. Okay, so if I want to use this, I need to have either an iPhone, I think this is a 7. Doesn't say on it. You need an iPhone 7 like this, which is fine. Or I need a Android. Okay, so in theory, I should be able to unplug this, right? Turn the power off. And then I should be able to plug it back in like I started the car. And it should just pop up on the screen, right? Alright. If I go to home, now my screen's locked again. It's going to say I need internet. Maybe. Really? Okay. I was playing with this and I was doing it wrong. This is to transmit to the vehicle, not a regular radio. So I was trying to make it play music or whatever, and that ain't gonna happen because this is what transmits it to the speakers in the car. So I think we've got it. I think we got it all figured out. We've got CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, whatever that is. So this is basically only useful when you have one of these nearby, or you just need a dash cam, because pretty much you got your dash cam, which is all I really wanted it for to begin with. So I'm pretty happy with this. Pretty happy. I'm thinking it should live right there, or in this vicinity. Okay, that'll give me my dash cam. I'm trying to. The dash is dirty. I'm not ready to stick it down yet until I remove this old one. So I'm just trying to give you a little mock-up here. Okay, this is what's going to happen when you turn the key. Okay, and as soon as my phone was in here, put my code in. Low battery. We knew that. Okay, and it comes up. I guess you gotta unlock it first. Screen off. I still have maps. Do I? Yes, I do. good deal. I think that's where it's going to go. And I think for the back one, in my case, I think I'm going to run the wire up to here. I'm going to stick that right on here out the window so it stays nice and clean. So I guess that's it. We got Carpuride, we got adjustable arms, strong suction cups, Apple CarPlay, we just demonstrated that. 4 ways of sounding, we covered that a little bit. And I'm going to leave a link in the description so that if you would like to have one of these, it's kind of a cool little thing. You can click on the link in the description. You can get yourself one. It can help me out a little bit. I'm supposedly going to get a little bit of a kickback off sales here, and you're going to get, looks like you're going to get 15% off if you order through me. Yeah, well, I guess this is what all the new cars are coming with, according to my daughter, who was here a little while ago. And honestly, all I wanted it for was the GPS and the cameras, because this camera is garbage. It's going to be perfect for this, because in this we don't go anywhere on a whim. It's pack it all up and get ready and prep to go, and then you go, and by the time you're done out the driveway walking around to make sure you have the step in, the antenna down, and all that stuff, this will be all booted up anyway. So this is perfect for motorhome. Absolutely perfect for motorhome, or long haul trucker or something like that. Now I need to find out what is going on at my neighbor's house, so I'm going to wrap this up here. Say thank you for watching. Click the link in the description and you can have one of those for yourself. Uh-oh, now I can't get the phone out. Okay, alright, let's go see what the neighbors are doing.